This module is used to talk about the effects of duct sealing. Your ducts are attached to your air conditioning and heating system, which accounts for 55% of the average electric bill, so it's very critical that we address this. Additionally, 20% of the air leakage in your home can be from the duct system. So the fact that the most expensive part of your home is connected to the duct system makes this very paramount that you check it, and it's usually overlooked. It's in the ceiling, it's in the floor, and we don't see it, and therefore it never gets checked. This right here is a sealed duct system. This one is actually going to the room, and on this side where the joints meet, mastic has been applied. It's actually in a paint can, and you use a brush and simply brush it on there, and it completely seals that system for a long time, probably for life. Another option is UL 181 approved duct tape, and it's a tape that will never come off of the duct system. Some of the tapes that you might buy in a hardware store, the gray duct tapes, they can come off in a year or two and you're back to where you started. Now I'm going to create smoke to show that it is not moving around the seams of the properly sealed duct system. No air movement at all. Now we'll look at the bottom duct that has not been properly sealed and notice what happens to the smoke. It immediately starts being sucked into the duct system. What that represents is actually cold air in the winter or warm air in the summer being drawn into the system. What that does, it makes it run longer, making your utility cost higher, and number two, less efficient. So in summary, it's a great idea to check that out of sight, out of mind duct system. It's either in your ceiling or under your floor. Okay, the side of this module is used to actually show you how to seal around your air conditioning vents. They're normally in the ceiling or underneath the floor. And during construction, they're rarely sealed. This is typical of a vent in a floor. And as I pull it open, this is called a boot. This is attached to a boot, and it has not been sealed. All the way around you can see light, which indicates that the system is not properly sealed. And then I move to the top, we have caulked this boot all around each perimeter. Just simple caulk that you would buy at the hardware store. A very easy thing to do. You just simply lift them up if they're in the floor, or you pull them down if they're in the ceiling, and then with a tube of caulk go all the way around. And since heating and cooling is 55% of your bill, by far the largest portion, and then you can get 20% of loss through your duct system, it just shows the importance of properly sealing every opportunity you can in that duct system to lower your utility cost and increase your efficiency and your comfort.